10 things you'd rather do than manage your property. Being a landlord doesn't have to mean late-night phone calls and endless stress. Let's be honest, there are plenty of things you'd much rather do than chase down rent or coordinate repairs. 1. Travel the world. Enjoy your vacations without worrying about leaky faucets or tenant emergencies. 2. Spend quality time with family and friends. Memories are greater than maintenance. 3. Grow your real estate portfolio. Focus on finding your next great investment, not fixing the last one. 4. Sleep through the night. No more 2 a.m. The AC just went out calls. If you work on your career or business, put energy into what you do best instead of property headaches. 6. Explore new hobbies and passions. From learning guitar to skiing, your free time should be yours. 7. Enjoy stress-free weekends. Spend Saturdays brunching, not scheduling repairs. 8. Stay financially strategic. Plan tax strategies, 1031 exchanges, and wealth growth, not rent collection. 9. Focus on peace of mind. Avoid tenant disputes, compliance issues, and constant stress. 10. Live the lifestyle you envisioned. Owning property should bring you freedom, not tie you down. That's why savvy owners choose professional property management to get their time back while protecting and growing their investments.